Aesthetic sliding card. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your website and search for 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝘀𝗀 to begin creating your site. Log in or sign into your account to access the platform. Click New Site to create a new site, and then select Blank Page to start with a clean template. Build your own page by first adding a container to create a place for your site content, such as using one container with columns to add spacing between each element. Inside the container, you can add images, buttons, or text based on your needs. You also can add controls to designate which parts serve as your header or footer. After you build your page, give animation to your content elements to enhance visual appeal. For example, if you want to add a fade transition to your image element, click the image element you wish to animate. Go to the animation section and select the animation you want to use. In this tutorial, let's use slide right. Set the duration for all images to 1.25 seconds. Now set the delay timing. For the first image to 0 seconds, for the second image to 0.125 seconds, and for the third image to 0.5 seconds. For the threshold, set it to normal. If you want to see the result, just click Preview Animation on the top right.